Xiaomi has revealed its latest flagship phone. The Mix series has always tried to expand the limits of what is possible, and the Mi Mix 3 is no different. Like Xiaomi, the front of the device is almost without bezel thanks to a sliding mechanism that hides the dual front cameras 24MP plus 2MP. Unlike the Oppo Find X, this magnetic slider is manual. The screen is an AMOLED Samsung FHD plus 2340 x 1086.39-inch panel with an aspect ratio of 19.59 and an incredible screen-to-body ratio of 93.4. The internal components of Mi Mix 3, with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chip and with up to 10 GB of RAM. The back of the phone is ceramic and houses a fingerprint scanner plus two 12MP rear cameras with OIS, 4K video recording and 960fps slow motion. Xiaomi boasts of having a score of 108 photos in DxOMark, and while that does not necessarily mean anything, it's a good sign. The capacity of the battery is 3200 mAh and the phone will be shipped with a 10W wireless charger. You can find a customizable AI button on the left side, but there is no headphone jack in sight. The Mi Mix 3 will be available in 3 colors, Jade Green, Sapphire Blue and Onyx Black.